Hello, this is Jeff with Greyhound Automotive. We have a 1996 Ram 2500, 12-valve Cummins 5.9 turbo diesel, 4-wheel drive, has brand new Westin side steps, full paint job, has brand new towing mirrors, power, new tint, new door locks, has power windows. The upper dash has been replaced. New evaporator, new heater core. It does have rear air springs with an air compressor that you can deflate and inflate. Flip up radio. Brand new bed liner, has a brand new BMW turnover ball gooseneck hitch, custom headliner, has 179,593 miles. Brand new trailer brake controller. It is completely stock. It is straight piped. Brand new radiator. Has a AFE cold air intake.